Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie from T-Sportline and I have another new color to share with you from T-Max on this Cybertruck. Check out Matcha Latte. Brand new from T-Max, color change PPF. The best way to wrap your Cybertruck because you protect it and you also achieve a color change. But the beauty of the T-Max film is that it comes with a 10-year warranty. It's twice as thick as most other films out there. It's hydrophobic, it's scratch resistant, and it has self-healing properties. And it changes the color. So what do you guys think about Matcha Latte? This is a green tone that we've never done before. Typically up until now, it's either been kind of like on that army spec, matte military green, maybe even emerald green as we've done recently. This is really nice and light and bright and quite refreshing, kind of like a matcha latte. Hence the name, perfect name for this color film. Now let's talk about the wheels and tires. This customer, like most of you, decided to ditch the 20-inch wheels and tires that came with his Cybertruck and wanted to upsize. And that next step is moving into 22-inch. Falken Wild Peak all-terrain tires is the premier 22-inch tire for a Cybertruck. And this customer chose my favorite CTM wheels. CTM fully forged monoblock wheels, finished in gloss black. Gloss black is a nice match with this gloss wrap. And also my favorite touch on these wheels are the floating center caps that also cover up all the lug nuts and all the different assembly when they bolt onto the car. Very clean, very good look. Foundation Series badges have been embossed in the front two fenders and in the rear. That's the new trend right now. Windows have been tinted and this truck is all done. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing Cybertruck videos coming your way soon.